Welcome to Slow English Listening. Hello, everyone. I am Lucas. Today, we have a fun new story for you. This video is very slow. It is perfect for beginners. It is a great way to practice your listening. Lily and Jake are at home, but they have a plan. They want to go to a big museum. But they need to find the best way to get there. It is time for the Red Error Challenge. In this video, there are 3 mistakes. Listen very carefully to their conversation. Look for the words that turn red. Do you know the correct words? Please write your answers in the comments. Your comments and likes help our channel a lot. So, please subscribe and like this video now. Are you ready to watch the story? Let's go!
Jake, look at the time. We need to go to the museum now.
I know, Lily. But where is the museum? Is it far from here?
I am checking the map on my phone. Look, it is in the city center.
Okay, so how do we get to the museum?
Let me see. We can take the bus, or we can take the subway.
The bus is good. I like looking out the window. Is there a bus stop near our house?
Yes, there is one just around the corner. The map says bus number 12 goes to the center.
Perfect. Let's take our bags and go.
Wait, Jake. Do you have the map on your phone too?
Yes, I have it. Don't worry, Lily. This will be a great trip. Here's the bus stop, Lily.
Perfect. Now we just need to wait.
I see a bus coming. Which bus goes to the center?
Let me check the sign. We need bus number 12.
This is bus number 5. It is not our bus.
You are right. We must wait for the next one.
How often does it run?
The sign says it comes every 10 minutes.
That is very frequent. I like that.
Look, another bus is coming. Is it number 12?
Yes, it is. Number 12 to the city center.
Great. Get your money ready, Jake.
I have it in my pocket. Let's go. Hello? 1 sticker to the city center, please.
Excuse me? A sticker? I don't sell stickers here.
Oh, Jake. You said the wrong word. You don't want a sticker. You want a ticket.
Oops. Sorry, I mean 1 ticket, please.
Haha, okay. 1 ticket to the center. That is $2. And
Thank you. Here is the money.
here is your ticket. Have a nice trip.
Thank you. My English is still a bit funny, Lily.
It's okay, Jake. You are learning. Look, Jake. The bus is quite full today.
You are right, Lily. Excuse me, sir. Is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please sit down.
Thank you very much.
This bus is very comfortable and clean. I like the big windows.
Me too. I can see the beautiful park outside.
We need to be careful not to miss our stop.
Don't worry. Listen. The voice is announcing the stops.
Next stop, Central Park.
That is the park near the subway entrance.
Great. After this stop, we should get ready to leave.
Exactly. Our journey is just beginning and it is very exciting.
I agree. Traveling by bus is a great way to see the city.
Let's stand up now. The bus is slowing down. Look, Jake. There is the entrance to the subway.
I see it. Let's go down.
Be careful on the escalator. It is moving fast.
Don't worry. I am holding the rail.
Wow, this station is very big and bright.
You are right. Which platform do we need?
We need the blue line. It goes directly to the museum area.
Okay, I see the blue signs over there.
Perfect. This is much faster than the bus.
I like the subway. It feels like an underground city.
It is very convenient for traveling long distances.
Let's find the ticket machine first.
Good idea. We need to buy our passes. Here is the ticket machine, Jake.
It looks a bit complicated. How does it work?
First, we need to choose the language. Let's select English.
Good. Now what type of ticket should we buy?
We can buy a single trip or a day pass.
A day pass is better because we are traveling a lot today.
I agree. A day pass costs $8.
Okay, I am inserting the money into the machine.
Look, the machine is printing our passes now.
I have them. One for you and one for me.
Perfect. Now we can go to the platform.
That was easier than I thought. Teamwork makes it simple.
The train is here. Let's get on quickly.
Wow, it is very fast. I need to check the map on the wall.
Good idea. We need to know where to get off.
Let me see. Are we going to the Central Stadium?
What? The stadium? No, Jake, we are not going to a football match.
But the map says... Wait,
Jake, look closer at the word. It is not a stadium. It is a station.
oh, you are right. Central Station, not Central Stadium.
Exactly. They sound similar, but they are very different.
My mistake. I should wear my glasses next time.
Haha, it's okay. Just remember, we get off at the next station.
Got it. Central Station is our stop. Lily, the map is a bit confusing here. I want to be sure about our route.
Why don't you ask that passenger over there?
Good idea. I will try. Excuse me, sir? Can you help me, please?
Of course. How can I help you?
Do I need to change trains here to get to the museum station?
No, you don't. This train goes directly to the museum.
That is great news. How many stops is it from here?
It is only 2 more stops. Just stay on this train.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
Well done, Jake. Your English is getting better every minute.
Thanks, Lily. Asking for help is not so scary after all.
Jake, it is raining outside now. I don't want to walk from the station to the museum.
You are right. The weather changed quickly. What should we do?
Let's call a cab.
A cap? Lily, do you want to wear a hat because of the rain?
No, Jake. I mean a car.
Ha, I understand now. You don't want a cap for your head. You want a cab to drive us to the museum.
Oh, you caught my mistake this time. Yes, I want a taxi, a cab.
No problem. I'm calling one on my phone right now.
Thank you, Jake. English is tricky sometimes, even for me.
Don't worry. The cab will be here in 3 minutes.
Perfect. We will arrive at the museum dry and happy.
Look, Lily. We are here. That is a very big museum.
Wow, the building is beautiful. That was a fast trip, even with the rain.
Yes, using the bus, the subway, and the cab was a great idea.
I agree. Now we know many ways to travel around the city.
And I learned some new words, too. No more stickers or stadiums for me.
Haha, you did a great job today, Jake. Learning a language is a big adventure.
It is. And I am happy we are doing this together.
Me too. Now let's go inside and see the art.
I'm ready. Let's have some fun.
Wait, Jake. Don't forget to say goodbye to our friends on YouTube.
Oh, right. Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next video.
Bye-bye. Happy learning.
Hello again, friends. It is time for a quick quiz. Are you ready to test your English? I will say 3 sentences about our story. You say yes if it is true or no if it is false. Number 1. Jake asked the bus driver for a sticker. What do you think? Yes or no? Number 2. Lily and Jake went to a big stadium. Think carefully. Yes or no? And number 3. Lily wanted to call a cab because of the rain. Is that correct? Yes or no? You are doing great. Now let's see the results. Great job on the quiz, everyone. Let's look at the correct answers together. Number 1 is yes. Jake made a funny mistake and asked for a sticker instead of a ticket. Number 2 is no. They went to a station, not a stadium. And number 3 is yes. Lily wanted a cab because it started to rain. Today we learned words about transport, stations, and asking for help. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to make mistakes just like Jake and Lily. Your mistakes help you learn faster. Thank you for watching Slow English for Beginners. Please click the like button and subscribe for more lessons. See you in the next video. Goodbye.